Hi besties, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my space. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this beauty. Step by step detailed tutorial on how I was able to achieve this 7x7 lace closure barrel boho lace braided wig from A to Z. So my 10 subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you want to see more of my tutorial videos, kindly hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Turn on the notification bell so once you upload new videos, you'll get notified. So guys, let's go straight to the video. This is what I did before detaching my coils. I got the coil that I'm using, the curly hair that I'm using, dip it into cold water. This will enable me to detach the coils no matter the size that I want without it tangling. Okay, if you want your curly hair, so if you want your curly hair that you want to use for your boho braids not to tangle, this is what you should do. Dip it inside cold water before separating. So this is when I'm done separating, and for me to attach the coils on the braids, this is after I'm done applying my hot water. Okay, if you're making boho braids and you want to add your coils after you are done braiding instead of adding while you braid. Okay, adding while you braid is cool, adding after braid is not. So adding after your braid is also cool. So if you're adding after your braid, this is simply how to do it. You need your crochet pin, crochet. So all you need to do is pass your crochet pin onto the braids, then crochet the hair, the curly hair that you're making use of, and use it to make a knot. Okay, watch what I'm going to do now. When you make your first knot, do not release it. Go ahead and make your second knot. This is for extra hold, okay, so that it doesn't lose. So when you make a loop, use that loop to knot the hair the first time. Then after knotting the first time, still use it to knot it again before releasing it. Okay, this is for extra hold so that it doesn't lose. Guys, remember this is the final part of this lace closure barrel boho braided wig. I've showed you guys how the start point, I was able to vent, I was able to attach the closure on the cap, I was able to give guidelines, I was able to crochet my braids, I was able to cut my extension into different sizes, then how I was able to part my triangular pattern, how I was able to now do my knotless braid, how I was able to apply my hot water, and now I am adding the coils, which is the final of this series. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you learned anything from this series, starting from the first video to this one, let me know in the comment section what is it that you learned and what is it that you want to know more, so that when I'm making subsequent tutorial videos, I'll put them into consideration. So guys, this is the detailed video from A to Z how I was able to achieve this beauty. If you miss any of this series, go back and watch them so you will see step by step process, all the process I took to achieve this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Please do not forget to like, share with family and friends, and comment. Thank you.